Question 1. Why is a mirror fixed in a microscope? Answer. The mirror is fixed to focus light on the object to be observed. Question number 2. Why do we use a slide made of glass to place the material to be observed? Answer. A transparent surface is required to pass light of the material to be observed, so glass slide is used to place it. Question number 3. Compare the plant cell and the animal cell and complete the illustration given below. This is the illustration about the comparison of animal cell and the plant cell. Question number 4. Complete the concept map related to the structure of animal cells. This is the structure of animal cell. Question number 5. Sub-question 1. Identify the parts A, B, C, D, E marked in the plant cell. A. Chloroplast. B. Mitochondrion. C. Ribosome. D. Nucleus. E. Vacuole. Next question. Write the function of the parts denoted by the letters given below. A. Photosynthesis. B. Production, storage and distribution of energy. C. Protein synthesis. Next question. In which part of the cell are genes found? Genes are seen in the chromatin reticulum in the nucleus. Question number 6. Find out the relation between the given word pair and on that basis fill in the blanks. Answer. A. Plant cell. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Prokaryote. D. Robert Brown. E. Xanthophil. F. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 7. Copy the given figure, then identify and mark those parts. Their features are given. A. Cytoskeleton. B. Control various processes inside a cell. C. Powerhouse of cell. Answer. A. Endoplasmic reticulum, understand and marking. B. Nucleus, understand and marking. C. Mitochondrion, understand and marking. Question number 8. It was Rudolf Virchow who discovered one of the prominent characteristics of cell. Analyze the statement. Answer. He found the process cell division. New cells are formed only from existing cell. Question 9. Which components of plant cell are not found in animal cell? Answer. Centrosome and lysosome. Question number 10. Some components of animal cell are also found in the plant cell. List out them. Answer. Cell wall, large vacuole, plastids. Question number 11. What change occurs when a mango ripens? What are the causes? Answer. Color changes. Chloroplast is changed into chromoplast. The sour taste is changed to sweet taste. Starch is changed into sugar. Question number 12. Choose the parts of microscope from the following terms: diaphragm, test tube, objective lens, eyepiece, mirror, hammer, watch glass, cover glass, knobs, stage and clips. Answer. Diaphragm, objective lens, eyepiece, mirror, knobs, stage and clips. Question number 13. Make a table showing the different parts of microscope and their function. Answer. Eyepiece helps to magnify objects, helps to observe objects. Knobs to adjust the position of lens. Objective lens helps to magnify objects. Stage and clip. Objects is placed on the stage and the slide is fixed using the clips. Diaphragm helps to reduce the intensity of light. Mirror reflects sunlight. Question number 14. How can we find out the magnification power of microscope? Answer. The product of the numbers seen in the objective lens and eyepiece denote its magnification power. Question number 15. What is the difference between simple microscope and compound microscope? Answer. In simple microscope there is only one lens, but in compound microscope there are more than one lens. Question number 16. Match the scientists and their contributions. Answer. Rudolf Virchow. D. M.J. Sladen. A. Robert Hooke. B. Robert Brown. E. Theodor Schwann. C. Question number 17. State cell theory. Answer. All living body is formed of cells. Cells are the structural and functional units of organisms. Question number 18. Who are the founders of the cell theory? Answer: M.J. Sleeden and Theodor Schwann. Question number 19. Our body is composed of millions of cells. Why this much of cells? Anandu. They have various functions to perform. By Bhadra. List out the functions of cells in the body. Answer: first one, defend foreign particles. Second one, release energy from the cells. Third one, synthesis biomolecules. Question number 20. Identify the cell organelles that perform the functions mentioned below. First one, encloses enzymes, hormones, etc. in small vesicles. Second one, gives strength and shape to cells. Third one, powerhouse of the cell. Answer: 1. B. Golgi complex. 2. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. 3. A. Mitochondrion. Question number 21. Complete the labeling of the given diagram of plant cell suitably. Answer: A. Nucleus. B. Center of protein synthesis in the cell. C. Mitochondrion. D. Powerhouse of cell. Question number 22. Complete the illustration given below. Vacuole, mitochondrion, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. Vacuole stores water, salt, excretory materials, etc. Golgi complex stores enzymes, hormone, mucus, etc. in small vesicles. Mitochondrion, powerhouse, seen in plenty in the liver, brain, muscles, etc. Endoplasmic reticulum, the passage in the cell, conduction of materials inside the cell takes place through these organelles. Question number 23. While discussing about the cell, Kunju has a doubt. Are protoplasm and cytoplasm one and the same? What is your response? Answer: protoplasm constitutes all materials within the cell membrane. Cytoplasm is the part of protoplasm except the nucleus. Question number 24. What is the difference between simple microscope and electronic microscope? Answer: magnifies an object 2000 times its actual size. A light source is used to see object. Electron microscope magnifies object million times. Electrons are utilized instead of light source. Question number 25. Complete the table showing different parts of nucleus and their function. Answer: nucleus helps in the synthesis of ribosome. Nucleoplasm, nucleus and chromatin reticulum are seen. Chromatin reticulum includes genes. Nucleopore helps in the transport of materials towards and away from the nucleus. Question number 26. Complete the given flowchart. A, B, C portions are blank. Fill in the blank suitably. A. Chloroplast. B. Leucoplast. C. Impart color to fruits and flowers. Question number 27. How does the color of fruit change when they ripen? Answer: as fruits ripens, the chloroplast get converted to chromoplast, thus color changes. Question number 28. Describe the function of centrosomes. Answer: centrosomes is the cell organelle that is found only in animal cells. The centrioles that play a major role in the cell division. It helps to the formation of spindle fibers. Question number 29. Draw the diagrammatic representation of animal cell and plant cells and illustrate the parts. This is the diagrammatic representation of animal cell with the illustration of parts. And this is the representation of a plant cell. Question number 30. How do animal cells differ from the plant cell in structure? Answer: plant cell and animal cells are often structurally same, but the plant cell is surrounded by a rigid protective cell wall formed of cellulose. Cell wall is the major factor by which we can identify the animal cells from plant cells. In plant cell, a large vacuole and chloroplasts are seen?